Everyone talks about how AI will save the world, but no one talks about the danger. What happens when AI becomes smarter than us? The dark side of artificial intelligence is already here, and it is terrifying. First, the death of truth. Deepfake technology can now clone your face and voice perfectly. In the near future, you won't be able to trust anything you see on a screen. Identify theft is about to get a lot scarier. Second, the great replacement. It's not just factory jobs anymore. Lawyers, artists, and doctors are being automated. AI doesn't need sleep. It doesn't need a salary. And it never makes mistakes. Are you ready to compete with that? And finally, total surveillance. AI cameras can recognize your face in a crowd of thousands instantly. Privacy is dead. Every move you make creates data that is being watched, analyzed, and sold. The future is coming whether you like it or not. To stay ahead of the curve and protect yourself, subscribe to Future Core. Awareness is your only weapon.